Go. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, friends. Today we're going to be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. The reason why I'm going to be reading this book today is because I really like Mo Willems books because they're really funny, and I like pigs and elephants are at the zoo, and I like to go to the zoo. So let's be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. An elephant and piggy book. Gerald. What do you want to do today? I want, yes. What? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? Let's find out. I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop. Choo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Choo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. It's getting to the funny part to me. See that? Laying on the floor because he's sneezing so hard. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. You see that? But he wants to be Piggy because Piggy is his friend. So he can't because he's sneezing because of Piggy. Somehow. Then we cannot be friends. Oh, it's getting bad. Then we must be apart forever. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. Elephant and piggy books aren't that colorful. It's on the front. I'm crying because I can't be around her forever. But Gerald, no, Do not speak. Oh gosh, it's getting crazy. It is too late. Oh gosh, he's gonna sneeze again. He's like, oh no. Chew. Goodbye, Gerald. Colorful. I feel bad. I really do. And 39th page. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Bad. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! That was crazy. They're not like exciting pictures, and I want to show you them because I want to get done with this quickly. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Died. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. He's happy that he's sick because he told him. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. He's holding Nuffle Bunny. See? Nuffle Bunny's in there. Oh no. Nuffle Bunny's in my Wellums book too. Pigeon is in there. Bye. I hope you had fun with me reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze.